Robotics, the field of engineering that deals with the design, construction, operation, and application of robots. Welcome to the exciting world of robotics, an interdisciplinary branch of engineering that integrates computer science with mechanical and electrical engineering. This innovative field is at the forefront of modern technology, paving the way for advancements in various industries. Robotics is all about designing, constructing, operating, and applying robots. These are programmable machines that can carry out a series of complex actions automatically, either through direct human interaction or by using a predefined set of instructions. Robots come in all shapes and sizes, from industrial heavyweights that assemble cars in factories to tiny nanorobots that could revolutionize medicine. The one thing they all have in common is the ability to perform tasks accurately, consistently, and often far quicker than a human ever could. But how are these incredible machines created? The process begins with a concept or a problem that needs solving. Engineers then design a robot to address the issue, whether it's a task too dangerous for humans or a repetitive job that requires precision. The construction phase involves building the robot, typically using a combination of metal and plastic parts. In this stage, the robot's size, weight, and mobility are all carefully considered to ensure it can perform its intended task efficiently. Once the robot is built, it's time for the operation phase. This involves programming the robot to perform its tasks. With the aid of computer algorithms, engineers can program a robot to respond to its environment, make decisions, and carry out actions. The final step is application. This is where the robot is put to work in the real world, performing the tasks it was designed for. This could be anything from assembling products in a factory to exploring distant planets. Robots are revolutionizing the way we live and work. In the healthcare sector, they're assisting in surgeries, providing unprecedented precision and reducing recovery times. In the automotive industry, they're streamlining production and improving safety standards. In the agriculture sector, robots are being used to plant and harvest crops, significantly boosting productivity. They're even being used in the exploration of space, where they can withstand harsh environments that are too dangerous for humans. Indeed, the possibilities for robotics are virtually limitless. As technology continues to advance, we can anticipate robots playing an ever-increasing role in our lives. From everyday tasks to complex industrial processes, robotics is transforming the world as we know it. Robotic technology isn't just about efficiency and productivity, though. It's also about safety. Robots can perform dangerous tasks that would put human lives at risk. This includes tasks such as defusing bombs, exploring disaster zones, and working in hazardous environments. In conclusion, robotics is an exciting field that's expanding the boundaries of what's possible. It's an area of engineering that's constantly evolving, driven by innovation and the desire to solve problems and improve lives. From medicine to manufacturing, agriculture to space exploration, robots are making their mark in every corner of our world. As we look to the future, it's clear that robotics will play a pivotal role in shaping our society. It's a field that promises to bring us closer to a world where robots are an integral part of our everyday lives, improving efficiency, safety, and productivity in countless ways. So here's to robotics, the field of engineering that's redefining the future, one robot at a time.